I'm Teresa.
Hi, I'm Shelly.
We're back this week with a regular video.
Where have you been?
I was in New York visiting my daughter. How about you?
I was home.
With an almost broken arm.
Almost, but not broken.
Yes.
And
Yay.
healing well.
All right, so makes. Hey, Shelly, do you have any makes?
I was healing my arm.
Okay. All right. And I was getting in my homework for my Oxford Punch Needle teacher certification stuff.
It's so cool.
Yeah. So the physical stuff got mailed off last week. And then this week, all of the other typed up stuff got emailed this week. So now I'm just waiting to hear back on whether I made it or not, or have some updates to do to things. And I have no idea how long that's going to take. So
Some remedial work. If
maybe.
Yeah.
Who knows? We'll see.
How long does it take to find out?
I don't know.
Okay.
So, yeah, nothing to show you today, I guess. Oops. All right. So let's see. Bernina. So in case you don't know this, we sell Berninas, Burnett's. You can bring your machines here for service. We honor the sales and things that are going on. So the foot that's on sale this month is the number 51 foot. And I bet Carrie can put a picture in right here. It's a cute little foot. It has rollers on the bottom. And so if you have anything that's going to stick to feet, like vinyl, leather, anything that's kind of not sticky, but you know, like a foot would stick to, this is great because the rollers go right over the surface.
Yeah.
And
It's not considered the non-stick foot. That's a different number. But this just helps roll over it. Kind of similar, like a walking foot, except rollers.
yeah, it avoids the friction that you might normally get. So that foot is 25% off this month. It's the number 51. And then there are all kinds of other Bernina deals going on all the time. So if you are curious and are interested in looking at Berninas or Burnett's, just let us know and we'll talk to you about all the features that you want to hear about. Okay.
Rhapsody, Block of the Month.
Yes.
That is the Anna Marie Horner Block of the Month. And we thought there was going to be a cutoff, but we still have a few slots left. So if it's something you want to do, Carrie's going to put a link in. It's an amazing, gorgeous quilt, and I'm sure she'll put a picture right here.
Right over my face. and it's a block of the month, but it's also, it comes in one kit.
Yes.
So the way we've set it up is you can either pay for the whole thing up front. I forget the exact price. It's you get a little bit of a discount if you just pay for it all up front, or you can sign up for the subscription version of buying it, which splits it up into 3 separate payments, which is kind of nice.
Yeah.
So we do have a few left of that. All right. Ooh, new arrivals. Let's show some new stuff. That's a cute little kit right there.
This is the Riley Blake. I do have to say, I think they do a great job of all their quilt kit boxes.
They're so cute.
And let me see, this
Heartwarming.
is heartwarming with all those hearts there. And it includes your quilt pattern, the fabric for the quilt top, and the binding. So, and this cute box.
Yeah, and you can keep that and use it for whatever later. All right, let's show you some fabrics. So this has some really cute woodpeckers and mushrooms and some jays, it looks like, some fun birds. And the colors are really fun too.
This is the Song of the Birds, and it is
Natalie Latte.
Yep, pastoral something. I can't see.
Because my hand's in the way.
Yeah, Pastoral Symphony.
Yes, and I do apologize if I'm pronouncing her last name incorrectly, but I think that's right. Okay, and then, oh, these guys are fun. It's lots of little animals in some rainbow colors. And it is The Spirit to Create. Oh, no.
They're lemurs.
Love in the Wild.
They're lemurs.
There are some lemurs in
lemurs. Are there lemurs in love? Those are all lemurs, Teresa, I think.
They're
Look
all
at their
lemurs?
tails. Look at their awesome tails.
Okay, you could be right. I don't know. It's, okay, Love in the Wild. Ringtail. Ringtail Love Night Black. Those are cute.
I may need some of those.
Those would make, I think like bags would be really fun in this one.
I do have a lemur bag. That's my travel all aboard by Annie that I made a while ago that might need a friend.
Yep. And this is more from the same collection, Magic Mushrooms and Mousse.
The Natalie Leahy.
Latte?
Latte.
Yeah. We should really look that up so we say it correctly, because...
And I've got, oh, my birds are upside down. Are they right now? Yep.
It should be.
Flamingos and parrots and little birds.
Oh, look at these.
It's the zebras to match the lemurs. We're out of orders.
Look at those zebras.
Look at the baby purple one.
Aww. So this is also Love in the Wild, Love in the Grasslands in multi.
Okay, that's gonna be a bag.
That's going to go home with you, I bet.
It is gonna
Maybe
go
not
home.
the whole bolt, but
I won't take the whole boat, but I
Okay.
will take a few.
perfect.
Also have a quilt kit coming up.
So if anybody's into horses, like my niece, this is a really fun collection. This is the panel, and then the other fabrics that go with it. This is a pattern that we have called Main Attraction.
Here are the horses. And more horses.
Another colorway in horses. So this is called Pedigree Turquoise Multi.
And we've got some like wood
Wood
grain fabric. And some fun.
Also Pedigree.
Yep. This is also pedigree, and this is the dots or circles. One of those it's called, I forget.
It's called
Big dots.
Big Dots.
And lots of restock and notions this week.
We didn't have as much time to pull products today, but
Yes, but there
lots of new stuff.
there's some new ladybugs, some new frogs out there in fabric. The mountains are calling. There's just a ton of stuff. More confetti cottons and Bella Solids went to the floor.
And we
Yeah.
just met with a bunch of reps recently. We met with one today. We met with one yesterday. And when I was in New York, I did go to the showroom of that dead stock company we were talking. I mean, they don't only do dead stock, but the one that we probably have some Japanese denims coming from. So I did get to go visit them while I was in New York.
Yeah, and it sounds like they'll have some fun other denims.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Can't wait. Okay, classes.
we've got Intro to Applique with Marsha coming up on Saturday, January 24th. Carrie put a picture right here.
So I can scratch my nose. And then Just Add Butter is a Kimberbell machine embroidery event that's happening on February 7th.
Picture here.
Cover Shelley this time. And if you are curious about machine embroidery, come talk to us. If you would like to try machine embroidery, come talk to us. If you want to know more about the events, come talk to us.
Yeah, have your embroidery machine been intimidated by it? This is a great chance to try it out.
Become unintimidated.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
or
learn about it.
if you don't have one, then we can figure something out there too.
We can help you.
Yep. And then intermediate quilting, Betsy's teaching this one. It's a curves class on Sunday, February 8th. This is the quilt that
It's
you
so
make.
pretty.
It really is. Have you seen her sample yet?
I
I have not. I don't think I've seen it yet.
don't know if I have or not.
Yeah, but she always does such good work. She is a curves queen.
And curves can be a little intimidating on a quilt. So
Yep.
it's a-
Until you learn how to do them, and then they're not so intimidating anymore.
Yeah.
I think this is a quick video.
yeah.
Okay, I think we're done though. So thank you for watching. Everything we mentioned should be linked below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great week, and we'll see you at the next one.
Bye.
Bye.